し君が心の道に迷っても愛の場所がわかるようになっている。教室の日向の中、暮らせ元の傾いた未来は、今君が歩き出したその一歩目の先にある。満開の季節だけを君は夏走るんでいたいけない。
Mali pala.
木枯らしで照れていた冬は越えて花が咲く。誰もいないと言って時に一人帰っておいで。卒業したあの日の輝いている君の愛よ。の桜の木になろう。スタートの目印になるように、花びらのすべてが散っていても枝がよって広げならが待っている。
Yaman ni Shell! Grabe, ang random talaga. Mali pala.
どこに忘れている思い出して、桜が咲く季節に僕のことを一本の木を永遠の桜の木になろう。そう僕は心がけてないよ。もし君が心の道に迷っても愛の場所がわかるようになっている。
Parang bang ano? Okay, last song ko na, no? Tag-tatlo tayo. Okay. Dapat next Shell, ano naman ang Blackpink song na. Sorry. Lost Shell, are you okay?
New here? Get 50.
Sha-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la, sha- Here I got the biggest car. Oh, it doesn't mean it can be wild or he can go far.
Ayoko, next song ah. Shell, ikaw na nga muna. Para nawawalan na ako ng ano ah. Para hindi na ako narinig guys. Iba na nga lang. Busy siya sa pagpapakita ng ano niya.
Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only all my life. Take me on a date, I deserve a babe, and I'll affect it. Ulit. Take me. Mali ba? Take me on a date, I deserve a babe. And don't forget the flowers every anniversary. Cause if you treat me right, I'll be the perfect wife. Buying groceries, buying groceries. You got a 9 to 5, but baby so do I. So don't be thinking I'll be home and making apple pie. I never learned to cook, but I can write a book. Sing along with me, sing along with me. You got to know how to treat me like a lady. Even when I'm acting crazy, tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you want to be my one and only all my life. Dear future husband, if you wanna get that special loving, tell me I'm beautiful each and every night. After every fight and apologize, and never be let you try and rock a body right. And even if I was wrong, sorry, never. Why disagree? Why disagree? You got to know how to treat me like a lady, even though I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you want to be my one and only all my life. Dear future husband, make time for me, don't leave me lonely. You and you'll never see your family more than mine. I'll be sleeping on the left side of the bed. Me and you must some kisses. Don't have a dirty mind to see a classic guy buy a ring, buy a ring. You got to know how to treat me like a lady, even though I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Hey. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you want to be my one and only all my life. Thank you, Anna. Dear future husband, if you wanna get that special loving, tell me I'm beautiful and every night. Future husband, better love me right. Ano yan, Shell? Bigla ka ng ano dyan ah. Umagos sa buhay dyan ah. Parang bumangon ka na sa buhay dyan, Shell.
Thank you so much, Anna.
O ikaw na, Shell.
Thank you so much, Ira. Grabe, talagang napakagaling naman ni Ira. Ano? Sige, pwede ka na.
Ano? Sige na nga, babay na. Magkanya-kanya na tayong live.
Hoy!
Bumabangon na siya sa buhay, guys. Like, literal. Ay, sorry po, nag-ano.
Hindi pa tayo nag-40k likes. Mag 40k likes tayo. Pahinga muna kami. Kailangan mag 40k.
MP? Anong MP?
Bago tayo.
Thank you, Anna! Let it go,
Bago.
let it go.
Bago ako kakanta, bala ko dyan. Bala kayo dyan. Tsaka ako kapag nag 40k likes na tayo. Tiyan.
40k likes daw. Hindi po, Kuya Vincent. Hindi ko alam. Shell. Paldo na si Shell, may ano na alahas na guys. Iba na to, wala na to. Hindi na to kailangan mag-live, may alahas na.
Sorry ah.
Hindi din po, my die.
Thank you so much, Ira.
Guys, wag yun ang bigyan ng gift si Shell. Tingnan nyo, pumapaldo na sa buhay, oh. May silver na sa ano. May silver na sa katawan. Wag na bigyan to ng... De, joke.
40k
Pati
likes.
suklay. Linux eh. Wala na to, guys. Thank you, Rom.
Next song natin. Thank you for following
Ano?
me. Bimzay.
Ala, thank you, Roms. Oh my God. Yay! Ala, ang dami sinend. Wala, paldo na ako. Thank you so much, Kuya Roms.
Merams ba yun?
Oo.
Nandiyan.
Yung may picture. Andito na si Kuya Roms kasi paldo ka na daw.
Okay.
May alahas ka na daw
Doon
eh.
ka na, Kuya Roms. Wag na dito. Wag ka na doon. Dito. Balik ka na doon!
Nandito na si Kuya Roms. Kuya Roms! Ala, wala na. Umalis na. Natakot sa'yo, te.
Hindi. Ayoko na yan. Ayoko na yan. Huwag ka na mag-send.
Kainis.
Iyak ako.
Wala, umiiyak na siya, Kuya Roms. Sagot ka. Thank you, Ana. Hala. Yes,
Hala!
Thank you, Ate Ana.
Ay! Grabe naman.
Nagtampo na ang baby na yan.
Thank you. Thank you, Ram. Alam nyo, porket alam nyo kung paano ang kunin.
Hala, thank you sa pag-follow, Brenta.
Ayos pa like ng live natin. Sabi kasi ni Ira, paldo ka na.
Paldo na.
Fake silver yun yan. Next song, kapag nag-40k tayo.
Ay, nako. Wala na to. Wala na to, wala na. Wait lang, katahimikan po muna. Katay...
Thank you po, Ana. Thank you for sending love.
Ayun! Ayun. Ikanta na lang natin to, Shell.
Yun na, malapit na tayo mag 40k likes.
Ay guys, like nyo muna bago kami kumanta.
Biglang nalungkot. Parang bigla kang nalungkot. Kasi kulang pa kami sa likes.
I-like natin to.
Like natin. Hello po, Joe! Joe,
Naku.
fan.
Sinisip po na naman ako.
Magaling ka na ba?
Tulungan ko na kayo. Ha?
Magaling ka na ba?
Medyo, pero okay rin na yan. Ang dami ko pa kinakaing sweets.
Pambawi. Pambawi sa katawan.
3K na lang, ano na ako, 14 na. Kaya to, ilalike natin to, guys.
Thank you, Jerry. Thank you so much.
Tap, 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 tap. Ganda naman yan. Don't you know?
Yan guys, patap ng screen natin. Mga komang.
Coachella.
Mga komang ko. Halam-hala ko ng mga komang ko. Seashells. My seashells.
Tap, tap, tap tayo, guys. Coachella! Are you ready?
Ano yan?
Guys, agree kayo guys, 4th yan magpe-perform sa Coachella. Kami sana, main stage kami guys.
Coachella. Let me
So
hear.
yan. Oh,
Ay, sabi ni Jenny.
you scream.
Let me hear your song.
Let me hear you scream.
Scream.
Payag kayo guys, 4th gen magpe-perform sa Coachella.
Ay, opo. Sorry po. Tapos anong ipo-perform natin dun?
Ano? Do. Feel this love? Tamang-tama, apat tayo. Ayan, mag-40K na ako. Diba? Ilan ka na, Shell?
39.4K. Lapit na! Malapit na tugan! Kaya nila!
Paelya daw muna bago Coachella.
Paano daw?
Paelya daw muna bago Coachella, sabi ni Kuya Art. Oy, favorite. Ay, 40K na ako. Ako na, una. Ilang kanta to, Shell?
Tatlo. Tatlo ba? Dalawa. Dalawa lang. Wala na. Talo na tayo. You tap lang guys. Tayo na yan. Tulungan ko na kayo.
Para wala kang choice eh.
Kinauna ko talaga siya.
Para to sa mga back burner, guys.
If your makeup still looks off, maybe it's your skin trying to
Parang
tell you
ano,
to fix it. Okay, now I think you're like
Tapos lang guys. Huwag kayong mapagod. Nawala na ilong mo. Backstabber. Backburner daw, Kuya Rob.
sa part di ko naririnig.
Mag-mute na ako. Hello po, Rans.
I can't lie, it feels nice that you're calling. You're so sad and alone, and you're stalling. And for once, I don't care about what you want, as long as we get talking. can. I mean, you gotta admit the history kind of unmatched. Asian combination, we made it out of that. But whether we free will or predestined, really I've not learned my lesson even now. Hope it doesn't strike me down. The cuckoo thoughts are dead to me, the way you should be too. But you bring them up, along with how much I miss you. Maybe I'm just not better than this, I haven't tried. Maybe life's less romantic when I don't wanna die. You think I'll be a fast learner, but guess I won't ever mind. Crisping up on your back burner. Mga back burner dyan. Shell. It's pathetic, but at least you are too. I don't know what you do. I don't like anyone except sometimes you. Now you're sounding like a herd puppy. You look ugly when you cry, but I'm the one you think to call. How do you feel lucky and cold at the same time? After everything you put me through, I somehow still believe in you. Oh, but I know in a week or so you'll fade away again. And I wish that I cared. Yeah, are you still there? Good. Maybe I'm just not better than this, I haven't tried. Maybe you'll finally choose me after you had more time. I thought I was a fast learner, but guess I won't ever mind. Guess I won't ever mind. Maybe I blame my bleeding into my stride. Maybe it was my father and his wandering eyes. I'll always be in your corner, 'cause I don't have burning on your back burner. Oh. And I know that it's sad that I settle for the back burner. Oh, yes, I won't ever mind crisping up on your back burner. Oh, as long as you still think of me. Oh. Next. So glad you made time to see me. How's life? Tell me how's your family? I haven't seen them in a while. You've been good, busier than ever. The small talk, work and the weather. Your guard is up, and I know why. Because the last time you saw me, it's still burning in the back of your mind. You gave me roses, and I left them there to die. So this is me swallowing my pride, standing in front of you, saying I'm sorry for that night. And I'll go back to December all the time. It turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you, wishing I realized what I had when you were mine. I'd go back to December, turn on and make it all right. I'll go back to December all the time. These days I haven't been sleeping. Say I played myself leaving. When your birthday passed and I didn't home. And I think about the summer, all the beautiful times. I watch you laughing from the passenger side. Realize I left you from the phone. And then the cold came, the dark days when fear crept into my mind. You gave me all your love and I gave you words goodbye. So this means swallowing my pride, standing in front of you, saying I'm sorry for that night. And I go back to December all the time. It turns out written ain't nothing but missing you, wishing I realized what I had when you were mine. I'd go back to December, turn around and change my own mind. I go back to December all the time. I miss your tan skin, your sweet smile, so good to me, so right. And how you had me in your arms that September night, the first time you ever saw me cry. Maybe this is wishful thinking, probably mindless dreaming, but if we loved again, I swear I love you right. I go back in time to change it, but I can't. Emogen High, we're 20. Pennies on your door, I understand. Christmas swallowing my pride, standing in front of you, saying I'm sorry for that night. And I go back to December. It turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you, wishing I realized what I had when you were mine. And I go back to December, turn around and make it alright. I go back to December, turn around and change my own mind. I go back to December all the time. All the time. Oh, ikaw na, Shell.
Oh, wow! Sobrang nangiginig.
Nice.
Parang si Elsa, sobrang nangiginig.
Shell na, guys.
Ako na daw. Anong next song natin? Wala ba kayong request? Ito yun. Wala kayong request? Pwede mo. Charing. Ponpon! Ponpon! Baba ka dito muna. Wait lang. Kunin natin si Pununan. Pununan! Pununan na si Megaw! May ano mo na. Meow. Sabi mo dali, mamaw. 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 Sabi mo mamaw. Mamaw. Diba?
Eddie Wow.
Uy, ano yun? Napifilter kasi. Oh. Bakit ang bagal na ano? Mabagal ba yun? Bagal. Low, low. Low. Ay, nakar. Nor. So, baka nakakonect? Bakit ang bagal ng internet sa TV? Refresh natin. Net, ayan, Dadalhin. Itong bobo. Ba't ka tumatawag? Naglalag ba ako? Mahina ba yung wifi ko? Pinatay ko muna. Back na ulit. Naghulog lang saglit sa piso wifi. Sino po ako? Maghulog nga din ako nung wala ng wifi. Ayan na. Comments namin ng fifth filter. How old are you guys? Ilang taon na daw po kayo? Ay, kami ba? Kami po ba? Ako po, 20. Si Ira, 20. Kaka-20 na lang this year. Ako naman mag-21 na next year. Pa-connect kita. Sige nga po, connect mo nga ako, MK. Ay, ulit ako. Sadness yarn.
Thank you so much po, Kuya Alvin.
Grabe, Shell. Nakatulog na ako. Nakot nagising. Naka-live ko pa rin. Sorry po Nangangailangan lang. Nangangailangan lang po. Bakit? Ano nangyayari? Bakit nagkaganon? Wait lang. Baka nawala sa connect.
Shell. 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 Shell.
Ayan.
Sino yang kasama mo? Yun na nga. Wala sa akin yung cellphone ko ngayon, Kuya Vincent eh. Mama, paabot nga ng cellphone ko dyan.
Bakit? Bakit ganun? Stress yarn. Ayun. Uy. Finally! Finally! Okay, yung dadalhin ni Kuya Archie.
Thank you so much po, Kuya Clover. Thank you, Kuya Jonathan. May uwi si nanay sa bahay. Gawin mo ngayon kay Arjel. Oh, yun yun. Grabe naman yun.
Kuya, natanggal. Kuya, natanggal. Kuya, natanggal. Yan na. Napakapikit. Ha, nakapikit minaw. Bakit? Ba't ka nakapikit? Sige, magpikit ka lang dyan, Line. Ano? Magjo-join ka ba hindi? Mag-join ka na, Line. Ano? Kanina pa kami dito. Mag-join ka na, mag-join ka na. Sino yung bangs ko? Na-stress na yung bangs ko. Kaya pa rin nagjo-join. Ayan na. No, 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 no. Hello, hello. Hello? Wala naman. No. Sa iyong gandang pusong di matalimo, tuwing kapiling ka, tanging nadarama ang pagsilip na bituin sa iyong mga mata. Ang saya nitong pag-ibig, sana'y di na mag-iba. Ang pangarap ko, ang
Wish, 1
iyong
from
buhay.
7.5.
Ngayon
Hello, Ate Line.
sa akin ng tunay, at ang tinig mo'y parang musika, nagpapaligaya sa munting nagmamahal. Ang sarap. Sira yung video. Sira yung video, may hindi. Dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo, dadalhin ang dalangit di manibago. Ang lahat ng ito'y pinangako mo. Dadalhin ang wala ng hangin, pangarap ko. Di na gumagalaw yung ano, screen. Magsinta, di ko na alam yung lyrics. Bakit ayaw mo gumalaw? Hindi, sira talaga yung ano, yung video. Kasi gumagalaw. Ligaya sa munting nagmamalan. Ang sakit itong pag-ibig, sira nga ang video.
Hey!
Wala, sira yung ano. ang pangarap ko. Umiiyak ang puso ko. Alaala pa, sinabi mo nung nadarama pang pag-ibig mo. Nag-express sila. Okay. Dadalhin ako langit kay manibago. Ang lahat na ito'y pinanako. Oy, di kaya. Go. No. 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 Wala na, sumuko na. No. No. Ayaw na, sumuko na talaga siya. Speaking. Ano yan, Kuya Haji? Parang di ko po yan alam. Parang di ko yun alam, Kuya Haji. Speak Now, Taylor Swift. Alam mo yung Speak Now? Ano yun? Wait lang, check natin. Ang bagal ng wifi. Sa maling wifi ata tumakbo. Or baka pagod na yung baby. Pagod na siya. Speak Now. Next song. Di ba mag-join sila? Speak Now. Tingnan natin kung alam mo. Buwan. No, baka mawala ng
Okay ka lang? Ba't mo kinakain yung mic?
Ang tagal din. Ang tagal mag-search.
Gagawin.
Ngayon, bakit ako pag-galit siya? Wala ako. Speak na ako sa kanila. Ayun. Speak na.
Yan. Yan.
Gudi-gudi to. Okay.
Yeah. Okay guys, maghihiwalay na kami ni Shell ng landas. Oh. Leche Lobo.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, baby. Love you so much.
Thank you so much.
Ay, mali. Ikaw pala ang di-disconnect. Ako mag-end live. Paano kung aalis dito sa live mo?
Ayun ko ba? Diba ako nag-invite sa'yo?
Paano ko aalis?
Disconnect ba? Tama. Disconnect ko siya.
Ayun. Ayun guys, ano muna, naghiwalay na kami ni Shell kasi mag-end na ako ng around 7:30. Then so, need ko munang kumanta para makabawi. Ikaw munang kumanta-kanta. Yun.
The strong and long hair.
Yun guys. Okay. Ayun, okay, balik tayo sa pagkanta. Summer after high school when we first Wait lang Naglolo ko pala yung ano. Okay. Take 3. Welcome po to the live, heart phone. Summer after high school when we first met, we make out on your Mustang and Radiohead. And on my birthday we got matching tattoos. Used to steal your parents' liquor and climb to the roof. Talk about the future like we had a clue. Never plan on one day I'll be losing you. In another life I would be your girl. We could full of promises, be us against the world. In another life I would make you stay, so I don't have to say a word. The one that got away, the one that got away. Johnny Cash, never one without the other. We made a pact. Sometimes when I miss you, I put those records on. Wow. Someone said you had your tattoo removed. Saw you downtown singing the blues. Sound of face of music, I'm no longer your muse. In another life I would be your girl. We could full of promises, be us against the world. In another life I will make you stay, so I don't have to say a word. The one that got away, the one. All the money can buy me a time machine. Whoa, can replace you with a million rings. Whoa, I should have told you what you meant to me. Whoa, sacrifice. In another life, I would be your girl. We keep all our promises, be us against the world. Thank you po, Hanson. Another life, I will make you stay. So I don't have to say a word. The one that got away, the one that got away, the one, the one, the one that got away, the one, the one that got away. Next song. Pwede kayo mag-request guys if you want. Minsan ay nahuhuli ang sarili na nag-aalala. Mga bagay na di kontrolado, pinoproblema. Pero teka lang, mayroon bang humahabol sa'yo? Di naman dapat patuloy ng pagtakbo. Sino bang nagsabi na kailangan ko maunahin? Di naman ito karera, pwede magdahan-dahan sa bawat panibagong umaga. Ang pagsimula muli ay isang tagumpay na. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Dahan-dahan lang, buhay ay di karera. Buhay ay, minsan ay nalilimutan na ng saglit, magpahinga saglit. At di kailangang magmadali para magwagi, pwede unti-unti. Wala namang humahabol sa'yo. Di naman dapat matuloy ng pagtakbo. Sino bang nagsabi na kailangan Anyong Anyong Ate Yana. Ay panagdahan-dahan sa bawat panibagong umaga. Ang pagsimula muli ay isang tagumpay na. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Anyong kanta. Okay. Sige, request ni Ate Yana. Hello kasi Ate Yana.
Magandang araw, ma'am.
May kailangan akong gamot, pero tight ang budget.
화려한 나들이야 모두 다 안녕. 내 마음속에 뭘 묻들떠 이제는 안녕. 어제의 많은 바람을 타고 멀리 앞을 벗은 미려 날아가. Goodbye. 영원히. 거울에 비친 너의 모습이 슬퍼. 나를 숨지던 예전에 난 어디에 있니? 저 바람 맞이할 준비를 해봐. 오늘은 너들이야 모두 다 안녕. 내 마음속에 눈물들도 웃자는 안녕. 어제의 너는 바람을 타고 멀리 부었지만 tagal ko nang di nakanta to eh. Mga 3 years ago. Ay, 2 years. 영원히 슬프게 내 눈빛은 꽃을 피우고 너의 눈물은 예쁘게 거야. 슬퍼하지 마. 새로운 오늘을 맞이할 준비를 해봐. 햇살 가득이야. Goodbye guys. 안녕. 나는 이제는 안녕. 오늘처럼 알거든. Hindi ko nakabasado, no? Ala, thank you so much for the heart tea winter melon matcha. Ano, naran? Yun na. 외로운 나들이야 모두 다 안녕. 내 마음속에 눈물들도 있자는 안녕. 어제의 너는 바람을 타고 멀리 후회도 없이 미련 없이 날아가. 햇살 가득이야 눈물은 안녕. 괜찮았어 날 깨워준 아침이여 안녕. 너의 유리처럼 맑은 미소가 세상을 아니 숨지게 할 거야. Goodbye. 와우. 영원히. Ano ba yan? Ayan. Wendy song. Psycho. Naalala ko yung meme na kanta. Who the hell you think you are? Coming in to break my heart. Make it like an operation, but I don't wanna be patient. Could have just laid it and I don't play the game. I can't get you off my brain, so I'm taking pills for the pain. And as soon as I go wake up, you're caught up in your haze, and I can't get you off my head. Tears are on my phone, but the symptoms in my heart. Di ko kabisado to. You got me feeling like a psycho, psycho. 우리 보고만 해 자꾸, 자꾸. 다시 한 번 다가도 붙어 다니니 말이야. 이해가 안 된대. 웃기지고 안 돼. But you psycho, psycho. 서로 정한 돈은 바보, 바보. Ano, yun, ibitaw mo sa akin. Wag yung isa. Hey, no, be okay. Hey, trouble, 근데 따위 없이 울었나? I'm original visual, 우리 원래 이랬어, yeah. 그리고 do it's hard. No, wait lang, maghanap tayo ng magandang song. I'm gone. I don't care, I can't show. I'm going to you'll get the enough. Wait lang guys ah.
Nung ako'y sumuso at nagbago ang mundo, nung ako'y pinaglaban mo,
Lyrics ko yun.
nung ako'y pinili mo, siyang panalangin ko.
Aww. Miss ko na yung era dati na
Babalik din na.
Thanks for watching.
Na ultimate.
A like would be
Ito tayo sa mga
appreciated.
palagi.
Subscribe.
Ulit.
Covers
Ito tayo sa
PH.
mga- Di ko ata alam yung wine. Di ko ata alam yung wine.
Around 300 grams, 100 pesos na lang.
Di ko
Right
masyado
off,
kabisado
Tibay
yung
on.
soya. Pero try natin.
Luke, what's going on over there?
I'm doing the work.